Alright, what's going on? It's your boy Rob Williams. Alright, so look, I woke up feeling good today. I said I want to give a lot of value. Alright, I've been getting a lot of people inboxing me, asking me a lot of questions about how to make money online. Like, how am I doing this? How am I becoming so successful with this? So look, what I want to do is share a share code funnel with you. I'm going to share my code funnel so you can get this funnel that I'm going to present to you today. Alright, so you can apply it to whatever business you're in. It don't matter. The formula stay the same. So look, what is ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels is a funnel building software to where you can use this to make membership sites, coaching sites, digital products, you name it. You can sell, upsell, downsells. You can sell different multiple products in here, and it don't really matter, all right? So with that being said, ClickFunnels is $97 a month. And for each person that you have as a member, they pay you, I think, $38.90 for monthly recurring commissions, okay? So the reason why I'm sharing this with you is because they've been paying me, and I want to share this opportunity with you, all right? So it's designed to put money in your pocket. So with that being said, I want to show you the system, all right, that you're going to get. So as you can see right here, the headline is discover the foolproof way that anybody can make 10K in the next 45 days using the ClickFunnels system. All right, so depending on what type of ads you might be running or whoever you're dealing with as far as your traffic, you want to make sure that you're not always sending them here. Okay, like depending on what type of ad I'm running, I'm not sending them to a capture page because I have to pay for each time they put their email in, if that makes sense. Okay, so but you're gonna get all this, and if you want deeper explanation on this, you can get that later. All right. So also you want to make sure that when you're using these funnels, that you put your Facebook pixel in it, so you can retarget people who clicked on this page and been here. All right. So with that being said, a person's gonna put their name and email in here, and then they're gonna go to the next page. They're gonna watch the video, and then they're gonna go to the next page. All right. So when they get to this next page, it's like a short mini training site, all right, where it's basically saying, hey, congratulations, free training below, the foolproof 10K a month system, all right. But you can pretty much, once you start getting your results and making your money or doing whatever, or whatever product you promoting, you can plug and play that into this system, okay? So once they get in here, now why I love ClickFunnels so much is because it's designed to put back end money. It's designed to pay you. So when each person signs up for their membership for the ClickFunnels, all right, as you see, for one person, if you sign up one person a day for a whole year, you will make 46 grand. All right. But moving along, it's designed to basically set people up to where they can get the ClickFunnels account for the free trial, and it walks them through the rest. So you see right here, it signs them up for the ClickFunnels account. Once they do that, that's how you get your $38.90 commission. Okay, so they're gonna set up their ClickFunnels account, use the 14-day trial, then they're gonna go into the affiliate boot camp. All right, so I took the Inner Circle boot camp, and everybody that I train's done it because it's gonna teach you how to use ClickFunnels, how to take advantage of the Dream Car program, where when you get 100 members, they'll pay for whatever car you want off the lot and pay the note for it every month, different stuff like that. And then how you're gonna get the copy of this funnel, each person will get a copy of this funnel, so they don't have to go figure it out. They don't have to try to go do it on their own. They can just have a copy of this website and get the share code, all right? And then they can drive traffic to it, all right? And then, whatever you want to else put in here, okay? So in my case, I'm offering the .com secrets book, and then they go into a private Facebook group, okay? So once you get this funnel, you'll go into a Facebook group, and you'll get your .com secrets book, where we'll give you strategies. So what I'm doing is designed to not only get you the ClickFunnels membership, you're going to get the funnel anyway, and you're going to get the strategies to promote this to make money on the back end. So you're not just out here spinning your wheels, okay? So what I want to do right quick it show you the .com secrets book. I had to go get this off the shelf. All right, so look, you're gonna get this free book, and how it's designed is you're gonna have your affiliate links. Okay, so ClickFunnels, you have affiliate links in your back office. So you're gonna have affiliate links for your 14-day trial. You're gonna have your affiliate links for this, where you can get the affiliate boot camp. You're gonna have your share code link for where you can put this, your share code here, and then whoever you recruit or whoever you sell it to, you can give them a copy of the funnel, and you'll pretty much put your affiliate links in here. And every time you send a customer through there, it's designed to make you money. All right, this is what it does. It's gonna convert. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. All right, ClickFunnels. Okay, if you don't have a funnel, if you don't have a system set in place for people coming into your business, you're failing and something's broke and it needs to be fixed. Because other than that, you're going to be out here till you quit, like you're going to quit trying, because the keys to success is in a video like this that I'm giving you. Okay, so with that being said, you want to track your results. Okay, you can use Bitly, Google Link Shortener, all that, for when you have people come into this funnel, you can track all your results. Okay, so right now I'm using Invisible Affiliate Marketing. It's trademark. That's what me and my team and with my business partners are using, and that's what we using. All right, we leveraging this. So you can plug and play what you want in here, your business, your system, or if you get results as affiliate marketing, you can plug anything in here. Okay, so with that being said, it's your boy Rod Williams. I hope you got some awesome value from this video. And go ahead, in the description, you can get the, it's a link to where you can go ahead and get this whole system. All right. So you just click that link and you will be walked through step by step. So you can go ahead and get your system set up the way you can get this share code and all that. All right. You can use this phone. Okay. So with that being said, it's your boy Rod Williams. All right. And I'll see you later on. Peace.